guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to do a journal unboxing, and that unboxing is of the journal called Mint. So my newest hobby of 2018 is bullet journaling, and I'm sure you guys all know what that is. I have a bullet journal already that is in black, which is this one right here. It's just a journal, a bullet journal that I got on Amazon for like 10 bucks, and it just has, you know, the signature bullets on every single page. But then on Instagram I saw this journal. The color stood out to me, so I did more research on it. It took me to their Amazon page called Mint, and it is also an everyday journal slash bullet journal. I'm just so excited to show this to you guys and unbox it just so that I can start using it. The packaging that it came with already, I already fell in love with. It's in this gold, the mint. The text itself is in gold, and it has this mint green gradient on it, if you can see that. But all that I care about really is what's inside, and I can't wait to show you guys because it is so pretty, 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 pretty. The plastic sleeve came off. So the first thing that I see that I opened, and I already knew this was in here because it's all over their photos on Instagram, is this rose gold pen, is what it comes with. I don't know if you can see that, but that is so nice and so skinny, so slick. I'm an Instagram type of person, and I like to buy things just for the Instagram, but not only is this pretty and something that I would not let anybody touch but me, is that the journal itself is probably what I fell in love with. And here's the reveal of the planner. Ta-da! Can you guys see that? Please focus on this beauty right now, please. It's in this blush pink. I love, love, love blush pink. Our new baby girl's theme for her nursery. You can't really see much of it in the back, but it is gold, blush pink, and white. Even the baby shower, white, hints of gold, and hints of blush pink. I just love blush pink. So this is the planner that it comes with. It's an inspiration everyday planner, and I love bullet journaling because it keeps me creative, but I gotta draw every day, you know, draw every day or just mark things off every day, and I needed something more. And so researching on the Mint inspiration journal, the best thing about it is that it comes with prompts, and I'll show you what I mean. Here's the first page. Look how pretty that is. But before I go into what's inside these pages, I just want to talk about the leather. It comes with a magnetic clasp right here, and how cute is that? And it has the matching rose gold metals. I'm not good at describing, I don't know, metal thingy-mabobs right here. They're metal. Doesn't matter. I don't care if it was made out of fabric, rose gold fabric, it's still pretty. And so it matches the pen. Ta-da! And so if you open it like so, this is the front page. Love it. Beautiful. And this is the 2018 version. Thank goodness, because I had to double check. And it comes with more pages to write in your calendar, your events. This page says yearly resolutions. This page says places to go, and then you can fill that out too. Movies to watch, books to read, habit tracker. I saw that on the bullet journal, and I didn't know how to, I don't know, I just didn't know how to start it. And so thank goodness this has the habit tracker in there, and I can just fill it out, and it has the boxes for me, tick marks, blah 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 blah. Comes in increments of 3 weeks, so you can track your habits for the first 3 weeks. I'm definitely, for the first one, is going to be my sleeping tracker, habit tracker. I am 34 weeks pregnant, and that's something that I want to track. I think another one that I do want to track, maybe I don't know how I'm going to implement this in the habit tracker, is maybe her kick movements, or maybe how I'm feeling. You know, the possibilities are endless. That's why I love this, and it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, shoot. Pages and pages for your habits. Oh, I love that. Oh, it comes with a productivity tracker. Evaluate your productivity during the day. For sleeping hours, mark, and then a certain, you know, they give you prompts. See, I love that. This will keep me busy. Something that I can do every day instead of kind of like looking at my already made like ahead of time bullet journal. you know, marking things off, and then I close it and then I go back to it. This will keep me maybe occupied maybe for like 5 or 10 minutes. And it comes with monthly goals, personal goals, professional goals, fun goals, monthly reflection, and pages and more pages of prompts or things to do. The upside is that it comes with the dots for a bullet journal also. Oh, this is what I need. This is what I write in all of my planners. And it comes with a page for passwords. Instagram, email, this, YouTube, blah, 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 blah. That is so great because I can never, ever, ever remember those things. I don't know why I find this just so pretty. Even like the little like bookmark keeper is blush pink. See? So pretty. So that is that about this beautiful planner right here. Like I said, you can go on their Instagram. I think it's just called Minte, M-I-N-T-E, and it will take you in their info box. It will take you to an Amazon. So thank goodness it's Amazon, because anybody here who has Amazon Prime, free shipping, lifesaver. It will take you to their Amazon shop. They have them in blush pink, they have them in black, they have them in this really nice deep navy blue. I love all those colors, and if I could have them all, I would. I wish I could. But at least I found a planner that I definitely can purchase again for next year that will work for me and I won't get tired or sick of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it brings a smile to your face, because now I can finally use it. I'm just so excited to even just have it on my desk, plan like little photo shoots for it. I feel like it's like a baby, like, oh, how am I gonna dress you up today? How am I gonna put you in and just take a picture of them? That's weird. I know, that's just how I am. It's weird. Don't forget to check the links down below where you can get your own pretty pink mint everyday inspirational tracker planner too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.